Today again I am repeating regarding class regarding about COVID-19. Although there is a good news in a various news channels, if you watch news channels, there is a good news that couple of months we will be having our COVID-19 vaccine. But before that, all the precaution measures that has been told, sanitize our hand, wash our hands with soap and water, sanitize our surroundings, places where we live, where we do work, and there should be a distance between person to person in a community level or in a home. And always wear mask when you are in a crowd or in a social gathering. Two things should be remembered and followed. One, there should be a proper distance, and another, always wear a mask, a good quality of mask. And regularly we should change our mask because it has been seen in a certain time the mask also get dirty or it has been infected by out from the outside it has been infected. So it is very important to change the mask also and keep our surroundings neat and clean. This is what about COVID-19, and follow the guidelines that has been given by our government of India, our state government and our school. In a previous class, we had talked about various stages of learning and different types of learning. We had learned what is learning and how it affects in physical education, factors affecting learning and transfer of learning. What are the factors that affects during our learning stage or learning time? We had seen if the will of a student is higher, it will learn more and more. But if the will is down, he doesn't take any interest in learning. Now today's heading is about plateau and the cause of plateau. We had seen a various diagram formations in economics, in physics, but we can see all these diagram in physical education also. And a plateau, we are talking about a plateau, it doesn't means a geographical plateau, but the formation what has been drawn in a graph, it seems like a plateau. So that's why plateau and causes of plateaus. What is plateau? When we learn any skill in a field of sports, we find rapid progress in the beginning. When we learn something, we find there is a rapid success in the beginning or progress in the beginning, but after some time the progress stops by itself. Why it itself stops? Because there is a lack of interest or factors affecting learning. In fact, plateau is a temporary decline in learning process or in performance or a training. When the period of plateau comes, the learner seems to be frustrated, seems to spend more energy, strain even nerve, and make efforts climb the rock, but time and again slip back. We had seen that during learning time, if it is not interesting, a learner or a student tries to learn very fast, but gradually as the time passes, if the subject become boring, the learner also do not want to learn, and that time it slip backs. We learned that it should be small and effective. Causes of plateau. What are the causes of plateau? Various causes which create hindrance in the way of progress of an individual. Various causes of plateaus are that can be in a various forms, like deficiency in psychological power. Deficiency in psychological power. Various psychologists consider that the main cause of plateau is psychological limit, which the individual reaches after putting everything on stake of an individual to achieve maximum. Sometimes what happens, we try our hard, we do our best, but at the end of the exams, our result is fail. That time the psychological way of a student is down, or the morale of the student is down. The child has done tried very hard. Many means are adopted to success, but at the end of the year, the child is failed. Here we see the psychological power, and a child doesn't want to study further. Too much time spent in one training environment. We had seen if the most common cause of plateau is too much time spending in a particular mode. If we are spending much time in one particular activity, much more than it needed, naturally the interest of the child will gone. For example, carrying out a heavy weight lifting cycle for 8 weeks with the same set and repetition done on the same training day. This is a little variety or change stimulus, and this result is in plateau. Here one of the example is given, or I would like to share you one example related to physical education. Till from Monday to Saturday, I am teaching you a skill of football or a same skill of basketball. Monday the same skill, Tuesday the same, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. The same skill I am teaching you. What will happen? You know, the Monday and Tuesday you will be more excited to play. But as the day passes by, Wednesday and Thursday child will drop its interest. And in Friday he will what he will think? The sir or madam is teaching the same. He will not take interest, or even not participate in sports. He is not interested in skill because we had taken much more time than it needed. Less interest. One of the important is less interest. If there is a less interest in learning an activity or skill, it may cause a plateau. Plateau is a form of a graph. We are talking about a plateau in a form of graph. You can see in page 181, there is a graph. While reading this chapter, go through that graph and you will come to know about a plateau. There will be a less force of motivation towards activity. It will definitely lead a stagnation in learning. Lack of interest. Many times we think why we are not good in reading, why we are not good in writing, because we haven't taken any interest while reading and writing time. Lack of concentration. Lack of concentration. If you want to learn an activity or a skill of the game, but you don't have proper concentration, plateau may occur. Lack of concentration. Poor coaching or training. Poor coaching or training. Owing to poor coaching or training, chance of appearance or plateau are enhanced. Why there is a chance of plateau? Because what we are learning, what we are trying to learning, if the coach do not know about volleyball and he tries to provide a coaching to a volleyball students, naturally there will be a plateau. He may know a few skills, but may know the rules and regulations. He do not know about the variations in football, in volleyball. Chance to occur of plateau are enhanced. When a coach or a trainer is changed, it may lead to a plateau or a graph that we are talking about. These are the common cause or environmental pollution. Environmental pollution. Environmental pollution plays a negative role in uplifting performance. We are talking about uplifting performance of a player. It is well established fact that environmental pollution tends to decrease the performance in the field of sports and games. So it may also be one of the causes of plateau. I had already given the various examples, 8 or 9 examples of plateau, how it can be created and how it formed. There are various simple ways: lack of concentration, lack of interest, lack of a willpower of a student. These are the common cause of creating a plateau. So I had already given you the examples of plateau and you came to know about the plateau. Now our next and last heading is emotions, concept, types and controlling of emotion. Next heading is emotion, concept, type and controlling of emotions. What are emotions? Can you give me a few examples of emotions? If I ask this question in a class, many of you would have answered fear, anger, wonder, lust, and negative self feeling. These are the emotions, types of emotion. What is emotion? The word emotion is derived from a Latin word "amor", which means stir up or to agitate or to excite. Emotions play a significant role in human life. These are related with internal needs of human beings. Emotion stimulate the mind as well as the emotion becomes intense. During the stage of emotion, an individual appears to feel impatient and physical and mental readiness. This is the meaning of emotion. And there are types of emotions. According to MC Doggle, there are following types of emotions. Positive self-feeling is emotions, loneliness, appetite, creativeness, amusement, wonder, distrust, or tender emotions. These are the types of emotions. Methods of controlling emotions. How we can control our emotions. There is no doubt that emotions play an important role in the field of sports and games, but is also essential for sports person to have enough control over emotions. You had seen when we win a match, we are very excited. But when we are losing match, our morale is down. Sometimes we abuse, sometimes we speak neglected words. If there is an appropriate control over emotions, the emotional energy may be utilized into the proper constructive channels. We can make a use of it. Emotion can be controlled up by desired level by following methods. And how we can control our emotions? Control your breathing. Control your breathing. For appropriate control over your emotions, you should try to control your breathing whenever you not certain psychological changes such as dry mouth, elevated heart rate. We can control our breathing. Meditation, you know about meditation. Meditation can be used for controlling your emotions. It can be ideal for staying calm in between a round of competitions. Avoid the situation. Avoid, this is very important. You should avoid the circumstances or situation that trigger unwanted as well as a negative emotion. You had seen sometimes we make a group and we start dialoguing many things, but in between there are many students they enter in between. At that time we have to avoid that situation. Exercise is very important. Whenever you are under emotions, start doing exercise or involve yourself in physical activity. This will help you in releasing natural mood boosting chemicals called endorphins. A number of studies also have shown that individuals who perform regular exercise feel more energetic, calm, and positive, and you will be away from many things. These are the methods of controlling emotions. Okay, so we had at the very end of the chapter and we had come to know about emotions and type of emotions and how we can control our emotions. Our chapter is finished. Now at the end of your study book, there are three types of question and answers: short answer, long answer, and value based questions. What I am noticing that while you are writing, I had seen that if I gave the question from long answer question, you had written only 2 and 3 or 4 lines. Go through your book, you will find that the long answer carries 5 marks and the word should be round about 200 words. It will help you in writing skill, although you are writing physical education answer, but it will clear the concept of a question and writing skill, and you are preparing yourself for board exams also, not only class 11, but in coming days help you will have an habit of writing according to the need of question. While checking copies, I had seen that you had not written according to the need of a question. Some had write 1 line, 2 line, 3 lines. But in long answer type questions, you have to write till 200. Suppose I gave you one question about what do you mean by emotion? Elaborate the method of controlling emotions in physical education and sports. In one question, there are two parts. What do you mean by emotion is first part, and second part is elaborate the method of controlling emotions in physical education and sports. That is the second half of question, and if that is 5 marks, half of the number is divided. So the student, what they do, they left first part, they write second, or they write first and they give 1 or 2 lines for second. At that time, the number or the marks has been sorted out. Then the child think I had written whole thing wrong, whole thing right, and my marks are not given according to me. So be careful and watchful while giving the answers. Go through the book, write from the book, and read from the book. All these are from the book. Try to learn and write it down, and write proper answer according to the need of question.